So up here at Andy's property, he's got some acreage. And as you can see, right over this hill here, he's starting to put us in a nice little go-kart track. So, Hayden is itching to run his cart down this hill real quick. So here's a little bonus action for you of a little bit of shenanigans. I think something broke.
I got you.
Okay. I think you went over a big boulder.
I know, I felt it.
From the sounds of it, Andy wants in on the action.
Woo. Holy crapola! That was fun.
Andy says he wants in on the action.
Sweet. It understeers very badly. I don't have much of a clutch anymore, so I think we're gonna pull it back up the hill because that thing's heavy.
Here comes the old Andy pants. Yeah, safety third.
Blood's out.
It looked cool for a minute.
It'd be awesome if it stayed running.
More throttle. Hear the old Andy coming up the hill. See him hit this hill sideways. Oh yeah, hanging it out. Oh, ran out of talent.
We decided to come up here to the top of Andy's driveway here. Here's the main road from his to his driveway, and it's all dirt right here. So we decided we're gonna throw some mad drifts around this turn. Ain't that right, Jason?
That's right.
So here comes Andy for his pass. It's not going very fast. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Not quite, not quite.
Soon.
Let's try again, yeah?
Enough speed.
It looked good. For a second.
Thanks, Aiden.
No problem, buddy. So what would you score that out of 10 there, Jason?
I saw nothing other than him coming in reverse.
So, a 0? We'll give him a half a score.
0.5.
0.5, he got a 0.5 for that one. See if he can maintain this one.
Damn bee.
He fly into your face?
Yeah, he's right here. Got me right on the side of the noggin.
Noggin. Yeah.
Ah, he dead. You killed him. What a murderer. Andy took a bee to the face.
I saw that.
That looked pretty for a second.
Well, I'm all out of talent.
Andy,
I haven't even got in the driveway yet.
I mean, look at your trajectory. Like, you're heading for the edge of the driveway there, guy.
What you're saying is get into the driveway first?
Yeah.
Before sending?
Maybe just a little. Give him a little push. All right, take 3. Oh, he's just gonna start right here.
Ran out of talent. When in Rome.
All right, yeah, Jason, good luck, buddy.
I foresee myself going off of that edge.
So stand closer to the edge.
Well, it gets pretty deep over here in the gravel.
So you're saying it'll stop me, or I got a pretty good
slows you down
chance?
for sure.
I wasn't planning on wearing a helmet. Maybe I should.
I mean, it's good practice. There, so we got Jason's second attempt. Here he comes. Ooh, much better. Much better. Oh, yeah. That was much better than the first one. That wasn't bad. What would you give his entry out of 10?
About 2 inches away from my leg.
Sweet, so a full 8?
Yeah.
Nice. Ooh, cool. Airplane flying over the reservoir. That's dope. Do some tricks, do some tricks. Oh yeah. So we're burning up clutches. Looks like that's gonna be a major upgrade for these carts. Jason's got to have the biggest clutch out of anybody.
So who won the drift?
I think I did. I think we're gonna have to go to the footage and
I think that's the...
find out.
So who won this epic, not so epic drift battle, all filmed on Andy's cart? Was it Andy? Was it Hayden? Or was it
Much better.
Jason? Please let us know in the comments below so we can put these losers in their place.